Hello everyone, welcome back to 5 Best Pro. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best tree swings. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the Flying Squirrel Giant Rope Swing. If you're searching out the fun out-of-doors pastime to deliver all and sundry outdoor, you need to do not forget shopping this swing. It is designed to assist your whole own family spend the time together as they exercise without genuinely understanding it. Your kids will by no means get sufficient of it. It boasts of a flexible and everyday design that allows you install it within minutes. This makes it an excellent addition for your tree house, jungle gym, as well as a playground. This set takes satisfaction inside the massive platform seat with the intention to accommodate more than 2 kids. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on at number 4, we have the Platoon Spiderweb Tree Swing. If you are a figure, you possibly recognize how hard it smiles to get your youngster out to play. The laptop, video games and films take most in their time, leaving very little for them to discover the outside. Besides making them socially inactive, this may additionally lead to overweight because of lack of exercise. You could make all this depart with the aid of purchasing this exciting swing set. This set is designed with durable substances that allow your youngster proportion it with any other toddler in your community. You can also be a part of inside the amusing and exciting moments along with your child. At number 3, we have the Royal Oak Giant 40 Saucer Tree Swing in Elite Blue. You do no longer want to accept cheaply made and uninteresting tree swings when you may provoke your children with this saucer tree swing. This version comes with 8 removable Velcro flags that make each season unique. We also love the robust creation that will in no way buckle no matter the weather circumstance. This guarantees a protracted lasting service that you may love. Thanks to the robust production, this unit comes with the weather-resistant substances built to resist repeated outdoor use. At number 2, we have the Trailblaze Tree Swing. Don't permit all your child's memory visit drain, while the satisfactory video games hold them entertained. Children who spend maximum in their time in the outdoors tend to overlook their youth. This tree swing permits the child recall his adolescence and exercise at the equal time. It comes with a first-rate design that permits them to spend limitless hours having a laugh with their buddies, brother, sister, and even yourself. And finally at number 1, we have the SUMMERSDREAM Blue Disc Seat Swing Monkey. The summers are an exceptional time to revel in the outside. However, it doesn't imply that we need to take long and pricey journeys to maintain the children entertained. You can now add more laugh and excitement to your house via shopping this swing. It comes with a nicely padded seat and strong nylon rope that offers you the amusing you want. The swing is to be had in numerous colors, permitting you to locate the version that goes with your fashion. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this tree swings, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.